What's going on, big dog? How's everybody doing today, man? Welcome to a new day. Welcome to a new video, and welcome to something a little bit new. So I'm doing something a little bit different this time. This is something that I always kind of wanted to do, but didn't quite know how I wanted to pull it off. So I'm freestyling this joint to see if I can get this thing figured out all of the way. But if I do, this could be something that we regularly do every so often. But I felt like I wanted to try and wash the car today and do a little chat because when I tell you life is happening like a big dog. So, which means that there are going to be some changes to the channel. It's gonna be some changes. Hopefully not too bad, but like I say, I'll break that down to y'all in a second. But right now I'm trying to prep everything up, get everything ready. I kind of put out my hose and all of that stuff like that. And let's go ahead and get set up. Let's do a little wash on the car. We ain't gonna get too heavy into some detailing because like I said, I kind of want to talk to y'all. So let's get it cracking. All right, so I went on here and put me a little soap in here because that's what I'm gonna do with the tires. I'll do something a little different there. But this is kind of what I put in my foam cannon. It's called Max Shine. So I use this, I saw this, another person kind of liked this stuff and they said it was some pretty good stuff. So I used it a couple times already. Kind of like it. It foams up really good, but I think the only reason why it foams up as good as it does in my cheap little foam cannon is because I changed the orifice inside of the gun. But let me go ahead and drop some of this in there. That ought to do it. I only put like that much in there. I usually get some pretty decent foam. And then, all right, y'all, so I had to wait till the plane go by, but here's my, get some water in both of these, try and get some water going up in here. And usually when I fill this thing up, I usually fill it up to about right there. Do a little bit of air in there. I don't want to go too high. All right, so I fill it to about right there. Then the rest of the water go in here. All right, y'all, so me, I use the quick connect fittings on all of this stuff. And I'll show you my foam cannon here. So here's my foam cannon that I use. I don't know what it is, but lately I've been killing Amazon right now, dude. And I'm not an affiliate or none of that stuff, man. I just be shopping my butt off on those. But I don't know, man. Maybe I need to work on that. Cause dang. So they stuff be coming right on time, dog. And then it comes fast. That's kind of what I like about that shit. It ships quick. But there's that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything set up and I'm gonna start off on these tires and we'll get a little chat going on. All right, y'all, so let's get started on this thing. All right, so what do I want to talk? So where do I start here? I don't even know where to start really. So basically there's been a change of events at my job. Okay, so just to give y'all a little bit of a background on your boy, I've been a technician for a little over 20 years. And then I went on ahead and for some crazy reason got back into leadership. So, in doing that, I worked on 3-loop monorail systems with trolleys and storage and retrieval cranes. Worked on forklift trucks and stuff like that. And, trained people on how to use them and how to work on them and stuff like that. I did all of that. But, so what I'm currently doing now is I'm what you call a maintenance supervisor of a warehouse. I'm not gonna get into the particulars of which warehouse, but that's kind of what I do. And I pretty much manage a whole lot of, projects and stuff like that. And pretty much keep everything in the building running, whether it be conveyor equipment, forklifts, just about anything, dock doors. I do a lot of stuff like that. So an opportunity came up at the job, man. It's an opportunity for me to get a promotion. Now, what that means is that my schedule is going to change. As hectic as things already are with my schedule and with the things that I have to do all the time, man, it's hard finding time to make videos. And, this is kind of like, right now, this is really like a hobby. I'd like it to turn into something bigger than a hobby. But right now, it's a hobby because just where I am growth-wise, like I'm getting there. And like I tell y'all all the time, it does a lot for me that there are people that, you know, some of y'all out there that really, y'all communicate a lot. Y'all got something to say. Y'all say something. Y'all ask questions, man. And I appreciate that, man. I really like the fact that I can help somebody out. So that's kind of cool for me. But as hard as it is to do my schedule, it's like I'm going to have to spend more time at work, at least for some time. Now, what does that mean for the channel? Well, let's see. All right. Moving over to a new wheel, y'all. That's that treatment that I did on the wheels, it makes it, like I said, I don't think I put enough soap in this water, but it doesn't really need it because this stuff is working pretty good, man. It's easy to clean these wheels. But anyway, back to what I was saying. What is this gonna mean for the channel? Well, it's gonna do quite a few things. So for one, I'm gonna try not to let this affect the channel too greatly, to the fact that it's a possibility that I may not be able to put out nothing but maybe 2 videos a month now. Because now, instead of working 4 days a week, it's a possibility of me having to work 5, probably 6 days a week now. So, and you know, trying to do that, and you know, family, trying to do stuff with the family, it makes it pretty difficult now. Mind you, don't get it twisted. I think y'all are family to me too, because you know, like I say, I like messing with y'all, man. But I'm gonna try not to let it affect the channel too much, and just still try and put out videos. Like even this video that's coming out, that I'm doing right now. Technically, I'm supposed to have been doing this earlier. I'm getting a later start to the day because something happened at work, and I wound up having to go into work today to try and, you know, cover for a little while till I got somebody in there. So that's kind of stuff I'm talking about. For what I do, being the maintenance guy in the building, anytime something breaks, anytime something goes down, I'm directly involved. I have to get directly involved with it. So that's kind of where I'm at with it. But I'm probably gonna have to reduce it down to the most of me in 2 videos, which means like a video every 2 weeks or something like that. Now, that does a couple of things. It gives me more time to try and spend a little bit more. Really, it's gonna be the hard part. It's gonna be actually recording, but to try and kind of tighten up on my editing a little bit more. It's other things that I want to be able to do, but it's like I barely have time to do it now. You know what I mean? Trying to put out a video every week. I'm just trying to make sure that the things that I put out for you guys to watch, it's trying to figure out how to get people to engage more and, you know, subscribe to the channel so that we get more attention. It's kind of hard, man. Kind of hard, but I'm trying to do what I can to get there. So now trust me, I'm gonna try and do what I can to make sure I can still keep putting out videos every week. I just don't want to commit to something that I'm probably not going to be able to do, because like I'm telling you, when I tell you things are about to really amp up, man, like I said, I want to be transparent with y'all and let y'all know what's going on. Y'all know I'm not falling off. You know, there are certain things that I am kind of frustrated with, you know, where I am and how long I've been doing this and trying not to get burnt out with it. But hey, I'm doing what I can, man. So now, don't take nothing that I'm telling y'all the wrong way. You know, I'm trying to, like I said, I'm trying to keep it cracking, and I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this. But I think once I get settled in, that's really it's a big if I get the position now. So cross your fingers, hopefully I get it. And I work my butt off to do what I, you know, to support, you know, my building and the people in my building the best way I can. So if it's in the cards, it'll happen. If not, got to think of something else. But in the mean-betweens, I'm gonna keep y'all informed on what's going on. And listen, I mean, hopefully not too much has to change, and I still kind of am able to find time to get the videos in. So I'm gonna see. I just want to let y'all guys know. So if y'all don't see a video from me, don't be thinking, oh man, he gave up. I mean, really, in most cases where I am, as long as I've been doing this, some people would have probably already given up already, because I put in a lot of time for this. And where I am, subscriber count wise, I feel like I should be a little higher than that, but you know, it's not that, but that's not nobody else's fault but mine, you know. It means I need to figure out what it is, and I got to work harder on trying to figure out how to get people more engaged with the channel, or to, you know, get us some more attention. You know, I'm not the complete cause of it. You know, sometimes, you know, I think it could be YouTube too. YouTube can be a part of that and keeping us from growing, baby. But hey, as y'all can, if y'all haven't figured it out yet about me, I try and stay positive, even though things seem extremely negative. I still stay positive and I try and get it in there. So, you know, like even like right now, this is a refreshing just to be able to holler at y'all just about what's going on around me. That way then y'all kind of know. I don't want y'all to be in the dark and then, you know, I'll be gone and y'all be like, dang, this food just boned out on us. No. I'm gonna let y'all know what's going on. I told y'all I'm gonna be 100% transparent with y'all. How I feel and about things, and probably not everything, because I don't want y'all thinking, man, this dude here don't appreciate nothing. No, man, I appreciate y'all, dog. But god dang, when I tell you, man, look at how that stuff is beating up on. Look how that water's beating up on here, man. That stuff is working, man. Dude, let me quit. Let's go over to the next wheel, dog. All right, man. So like I was saying, dog, I don't want to be trying to bore y'all with too much stuff, but like I said, I'm giving this a shot to try and see how to record a video like this, because this seems like, dang, you know. But like I said, it gives me an opportunity to kind of give y'all some updates on the channel, see what's going on, and just to, you know, just to talk. And if y'all got questions on certain things, man, y'all can ask me, and then we can kind of set up a setting like this, and we can just, you know what I'm saying, we can chop it up. I can answer some questions for y'all, you know. If it's within my power to answer the questions or have the answer that you need. But, you know, just a little info on what I got going on right now. And I kind of wanted to tell y'all, like I say, this is doing videos on YouTube, chilling out with y'all, man, chopping it up with y'all is just, it's a break away from the day-to-day, the 9 to 5, and then, you know, things you do at the highs with the family, you know what I'm saying? I'm not saying, you know, I love being with my family, dude. Don't get that twisted. But it's just, you know, sometimes, especially being a man, you know, you got to have some of that. You got to have an outlet and have something to do to chill, you know what I mean? But, yeah, that's kind of what I want to tell you guys, that there's a possibility. Not trust me, I'm going to try and do what I can, because it's like if I can't put out a video every week, I feel some type of way about that, and I just be like, I be in my feelings like, man, dang, I feel like I'm feeling everybody. But I'm gonna try. I'm gonna do what I can. If it's gonna be some me getting off late and trying to get out here and do some stuff, because I still got plenty of things I need to install. Like I'm gonna do a video. I actually got on order some different lug nuts and a different situation for my valve stems here, and I'm gonna do like a little short video on that, kind of what I'm gonna have to do, because I'm still gonna have to do some kind of crazy stuff to try and make some of that stuff work. And then I can explain to you about what I did get. And yeah, hopefully it'll work out the way I want it to, because I'm thinking it's gonna really work out the way I want it, but we'll see. I hadn't even tried to look at it yet. So whenever they come in, we're gonna go ahead and get out here and we'll knock it out. But I got some major stuff that I need to do here pretty soon. So let me go ahead and, what the hell? Oh man. Anyway, let me rinse this off, and then I'm gonna go on ahead and foam cannon the whole car and then let y'all watch that, bruh. All right, y'all, so now we just finish it off with a little tire foam by Black Magic. Kind of like that stuff. Let me throw this off. Oh. And that's it. Let that get over there. Pull the car in the garage for a bird, take a poop on my car, and then we'll wrap this video up. All right, fam, so that pretty much wraps it up for this video, y'all. So hopefully this comes out all right, man. Y'all let me know if y'all like this sort of thing or not. If anything, I can go more in depth with what I do as far as washing the car. I didn't really detail it. I kind of just washed it, dried it off a little bit. Sometimes I grab my my leaf blower and blow the water off because of me coating it with the ceramic coat. It the water just blows right off of there, and then I can just go right after it with the microfiber dry off cloth, and no spots. But I kind of just wanted to share that information with you guys, let you guys know what's to come. You know what I mean? So I mean, I don't know. Don't get it twisted. I'm gonna do whatever I can to make sure I can still continue to put out a video every week. But in the beginning, because you know, I've still got to go through the interview process. But even then, I'm still having to change my schedule, and I might as well prepare myself because I think I should be able to get it, but we'll see. But you know, keep your hands crossed for me, man. Pray for me if that's your thing. But you know, this is not me telling y'all that I'm done, but you know, it's gonna be a slight change. And then whenever I get the ball rolling and get myself to a certain schedule and get my department where I need it to be, then I'll be able to have a more stable schedule, hopefully. And then I can go back to routine. But for right now, I think if I do have to take a break and not do a video a week, I'm gonna try and make sure that I can apply that extra time into the editing to try and make it that much more entertaining, to try and line out that process and kind of streamline it so it'll be easier for me to do it, so I can increase production quality and not spend as much time on it. That way then I already got my stuff set up. But again, man, thank y'all all for the support that y'all given me so far. And thank y'all for 900. We had 900, but we've been at 900 for like almost a week and nothing. So I don't know. We're 100 away from 1,000 subscribers, man. I think we can do it, man. We can knock it out. Heck, we can knock it out by the end of this month. But hey, man, help your boy out. But nonetheless, I appreciate y'all for watching, man. If you made it this far into the video, man, thank you. And make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, hit all so you get notified whenever I put out a video. And until the next video, fam, peace.